What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. And in today's video, I'm here with a challenge. I haven't done a challenge in a minute. But yeah, if you haven't read the title by now, I am going to be doing the Alexa picks my makeup. I had to whisper because she's right over there, and if I say it out loud, she gonna think I'm talking to her, but I'm not. And I'm only doing this with eyeshadow, so I just said like pick a random color, and she gave me random colors. Very random colors at that. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So if you like videos like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be using my Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette for this. Like I said, I asked her for specific colors because this is mainly like an eyeshadow challenge. I'm mainly doing this challenge because I feel like my artistic drive has just not been there when it comes to my makeup. So I want to do something different, or at least try, you know, see what I can come up with. So if you haven't seen the palette, this is what it looks like. It still looks pretty good for, you know, how the amount of times that I've used it. And it comes with a mirror. But I wrote down the colors, and she gave me 3 colors, and then Siri gave me 1 color. I kept asking Siri, but she kept giving me the same color, and it's a color that I don't have. So the color that Siri gave me is green. I'm using 4 different shadow colors. So Siri gave me green, which this palette has a few different greens. It has like lime greens, yellow green, green, dark green, like emerald green. So we'll have to see. And then these are the colors that Alexa gave me. So the first one was Banana Mania, which I don't know what that looks like, so I just said yellow. Bananas are yellow, so I assume that's what she meant. Next, she gave me Honolulu Blue, which I also had to look up on Google. That color or a similar color is in this palette. And then her last color, Violet. She went from giving me specific names to Violet. So yeah, so just to recap, we have green, yellow, Honolulu Blue, and Violet. I'm not gonna say this is gonna be easy, but I feel like it's not gonna be too hard because all of these colors are cool colors versus warm colors, or having a mix between cool and warm colors. That's when it gets tricky. If you can't tell, brows have been done already because I didn't want to hassle with those. Well, actually, I'm gonna do one eye off of camera to save time because I don't know what look I'm going for. And then I'm gonna come back on camera. My hair is probably gonna be up, and I'm gonna do a voiceover to kind of walk y'all through the process. So yeah, so I shall be back. Alright, voiceover Jasmine taking over. So I'm gonna prime my eyes using this ColourPop concealer. I can't remember any of the shade names or anything, so check the description box. But then I'm gonna set the concealer with some setting powder because I do have oily lids, and I just want these colors to pop and show up as much as possible. And so I'm starting off with the yellow, and I was getting so nervous while I was doing this because I felt like the yellow wasn't showing, and so I had to go through and build it up and pack it on so much for it to just show. But basically dipped it in, packed it on, and then blended it out, and yeah, it started to show up a little bit. But now I'm gonna go into Honolulu Blue, or a similar color. And when I put this color on, I got extra nervous because I felt like the yellow was starting to disappear. I don't know, I feel like yellow is one of those hard colors to use, so I went back in with that other brush and tried to intensify and blend the yellow at the same time. So yeah, I decided to do a cut crease, or at least cut my crease. So So I went back in with that ColourPop concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease and blend that concealer out as much as I can. I didn't put a lot. And I'm going to go back in with that yellow shade and pack that on in the inner part of my eye. Then I'm going to go back into that blue shade, and I'm going to pack that into the middle part of my eye. So I kind of like divided my eyelid into 3 sections, and so yellow on the first third, in the middle I have the blue color, and then I'm gonna go in with violet or purple. Same difference, they're pretty similar. And I packed that on and put that on the outer part of my eye and then blended that out. And yeah, I really liked how that turned out. So off of camera, I ended up, I think I put on eyeliner, and then I put on some lashes and some mascara and did the rest of my face. Oh, I'm moving too fast. I forgot about green. And I just packed green on my lower lash line. So yeah, that was the look I came up with. And what's up, y'all? I'm back with the final result. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, I was so nervous because I haven't been practicing with my makeup like I used to, so I was nervous how it was gonna turn out, but I really love it. Like, and I've been seeing this trend, I don't know what you call it, on Instagram a lot, with like one shadow being here, another being here, and yeah, so I wanted to try it, but I was scared to, but I love how it turned out. Overall, I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's bad overall, but I really like it. Like, I like it more than what I thought I would. And yeah, if you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. What do you think of the final look? What do you think of the final product? It's giving me very like spring/summer vibes. Let me know what you guys think. If you want me to try this challenge again with different colors, maybe let me know down in the comments below, and leave a color or leave a color combination that I should use up to 4 shadows. So I need 4. If you're